Are you looking for a side hustle to make a little extra cash? What would you do with a little extra money each week? Pay bills. Buy groceries. Perhaps save it for a vacation or a deposit for a house. Luckily, it's never been easier to make extra money from the comfort of your own home. Consider these ideas. 1. Become a virtual assistant. If you can copy and paste data, then you can easily become a virtual assistant. While some of the tasks involved may be more complicated than copying and pasting, most tasks will not need much skill or experience, yet can earn you a healthy amount if you find the right client. There are dedicated sites online, such as Upwork, where you can bid for virtual assistant jobs. You can also find work on social media if you keep your eyes open. 2. Sell on eBay, Craigslist, or Facebook Marketplace. We all have things around our homes that we no longer want or need. Rather than leaving them to gather dust, you could list them for sale online. You could even buy from other sellers cheaply before relisting the items for a small profit yourself. 3. Trade cryptocurrency. While cryptocurrency is still relatively new, there are still plenty of people online making money by trading Bitcoin or digital currency. As with anything else you want to sell, the way to profit is to sell at a higher price than you bought it. 4. Sell services on Fiverr. If you have any skill, such as writing, design, or many others, you can offer your services on Fiverr or one of the many marketplaces online. Work may be slow when you first start selling on these sites, but once you start making sales and your reputation grows, you can start to make more money. 5. Start a blog. Do you have a particular passion or subject that you know a lot about? If you do, consider writing a blog. Whether your passion is dogs or fashion, if you can write about the subject, then your audience will grow. Before long you'll be able to earn money from commissions from products you recommend or from accepting advertising, like Google Ads, on your site. 6. Social media management. Nowadays, most people and businesses have a social media presence. If a company wishes to reach their target audience, it's important to keep posting content to their social media accounts. This is where you can come in and offer your social media management services. If you have any experience at growing a social media following, you can charge these companies to grow their channels for them. 7. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves creating content to promote various product offers and services. You receive a commission from any product bought from your affiliate link. You can promote these products on your blog or social media accounts. There are thousands of niches to choose from, with plenty of money to be made from selling in-demand products. You can find products to promote from marketplaces like ClickBank, Amazon, or JVZoo. You can also find many websites that offer affiliate programs for their products. 8. Create online courses. This can also be a great way to make money at home by teaching others how to do any skill that you know. There are many ways to do this. You can create a digital product that you could sell, like an ebook. You could create a YouTube channel where you teach your skills to others. With YouTube, you may not make much money to start, but if you stick with it, creating new videos on a regular basis, then you could grow a following and create a passive income stream that could last for years. Create courses to upload to course marketplaces like Udemy, Teachable, Kajabi, or many more. You make money by selling access to your courses. Basically, if you know how to do anything online or know more about a topic than the average person, you can monetize that skill or knowledge online. So which side hustle do you fancy? Making money at home is certainly possible, and for some of the ideas you need very little skill or expertise, making them suitable for just about anyone.